You ready for the car wash, Gigi? Ready?
Ready?
Don't be scared. Ready?
Ready? You gotta close the window.
He's gonna close it. You just gotta hold on.
Put it in neutral. Don't push the wheel to brake, alright?
Are you ready?
Ready?
You ready, Gigi?
No.
No.
Why not? It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, Papa. Don't be scared. Watch all the beautiful colors that are gonna come out of the machine. Don't scream. Don't scream. I don't want you to scare your brother, okay?
Go.
Here we go.
Look at the colors.
Oh, look. Gigi blue. Yay.
Smell it? Smell it?
Smells yummy. Look, Gigi. Oh. Is it funny, Gigi?
Yeah. Here it comes. Here it comes again.
Almost done. Good job, G. Yay!
Now I'm going to get the car vacuum.
Yeah, Mommy and Daddy are going to do it.
That was fun.
Look, Gigi, look. Can you imagine putting him on an airplane?
It'll be fine.
You think so? Sounds like an airplane. Yay! All done! Woohoo! Yeah!
That was fun.
Yay! Gigi, you like that?
Yeah.
All right.
It sounds like booga 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 booga.
Yeah, did you like it, Gigi?